I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding the emotional shorthand you want: playful, urgent, or subtle. Choose 1 to 3 emojis that convey that mood and match your message. Once done, decide where each emoji lives: caption for searchability, text overlay for timing, sticker for motion. Use the native keyboard or TikTok's picker so colors render correctly. Make sure to consider accessibility. Add short text labels in the caption so screen readers understand why you used those emojis. Now you refine timing and visual hierarchy. Pin or animate emojis to specific clips so they appear exactly on beats or punchlines. This creates rhythm. Adjust size and opacity so the emoji doesn't overpower faces or captions, and change color filters to maintain contrast. When pairing with text, add outlines or shadows to keep legibility across backgrounds. If you want emphasis, duplicate an emoji and stagger its entrance for a tiny echo effect that draws attention. To finish, always preview the full video on different screens and at full volume so timing and size feel right. Make sure caption emojis support discoverability alongside hashtags and don't confuse readers. When posting, choose export quality that preserves color and transparency. If an emoji renders incorrectly or appears as a square, replace it with a sticker image of the emoji or use a short text fallback like smile emoji in the caption. This fixes cross-device display and keeps your message clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.